Hello. Today I'm going to show you how I would go about, I guess, creating a pad. I want to demo the pad functionality of FreeCAD. So first, let's go up, create a new document, create a body, create a scat. Then select this plane. That's where we're going to create the scat. Let's just go and use this circle, make a circle, and it still has one, so we constrain diameter. This is just the auto dimension. Hit there, it will assume that it's at, go 80, click OK. Now that's fully constrained. I will close this scat. Now see, it has all these modeling tools, has a pocket, pad, all of that. Let's just create the pad. I could click here or here. I'm going to click here. Then that says 10 millimeters. Good enough. Click OK. And you see there's the pad right there. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you tune in to future videos.